Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Help Candlestick Patterns course, video number 6. If you have not gone through last 5 videos, please go through all 5 videos, then come to 6. Then it will be very easy for you to understand step by step. Otherwise, you will get little confusion. So my request is to go back and go through all the videos and understand the concepts, so that it will be very easy for you to understand 6th video. And also I request everyone, please subscribe our channel and promote our channel, so that you will get a lot of technical videos. If you guys are interested to learn techniques other than these candlestick patterns, you guys always welcome to my live technical analysis course. You can send email to ramanju.techhelp@gmail.com. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Then let's begin our candlestick patterns course today. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Maruboju. The pronunciation quite different. Fine. What is the use of Maruboju and how we have to identify this in candlestick patterns, and what is the use of this? All these things we are going to talk. The Maruboju is one type of candle in candlestick patterns that we are going to see step by step how to identify and how to analyze all these things. So what you need to understand is this Maruboju plays vital role in candlestick patterns. So you need to concentrate on these things. Okay. If you look at here, we have green Maruboju. Okay, we don't have any shadows here, we have only body. Here is the complete details. It's a green Maruboju, bullish green Maruboju, we can tell. The top we can see high and close, and down we can see open price and low, and high price, close price, open price and low price. This is how the construction will happen for this green Maruboju. So try to understand the logics here. This is a green candle with no shadows. We can see here the shadow is the part already we discussed, down and both the sides we will get. There is no shadows at either end, both the ends there is no shadow here. The construction of green Maruboju when the low of the day is the same as the open and the high of the day is the same as the close price of the day. This usually represents a very bullish formation, as it shows the bullies had the upper hand throughout the day. Okay. This is what this candle is speaking about. Again, let's see once again, I will make very clear. When the low of the day is same as open and the high of the day is the same as close price of the day. Try to understand, when the low of the day is same as the open and the high of the day is the same as the close price of the day. So we just need to understand this logic and note it down somewhere, okay, so that in upcoming classes I will take some live data and I will explain how it is going to work out and how we have to identify this low and higher prices, all these things. Okay, I hope up to this clear. Now we will go to red Maruboju. So if you see here red Maruboju, this is also a candle in bearish market or bearish trend. We can identify this kind of patterns. The open price and low price you can see open price and low price and high price and close price. Here in this kind of situation, this formation we will get. So this is a red candle with no shadows at both the sides, the same what we discussed in green also. This occurs when the high of the day is the same as the open price of the day and the close of the day is the same as the low price of the day. What does this candle represent is, it shows domination by the bears throughout the day. Generally this would be considered very bearish candle or bearish trend. So I will repeat once again. I will go very slowly. Try to understand and note it down somewhere on the paper, so it will be very easy for you to understand. The red candle, the occurrence of the red candle we are going to speak now. This occurs when the high of the day is same as open price of the day and the close of the day is same as the low price of the day. So in this kind of situation, this candle will occur. This candle represents domination by the bears throughout the day. Generally this would be considered a very bearish candle. I hope you got some idea about this. Okay, you no need to worry about the finding of this candle in real market. Okay, anyway we are going to see with the live data, then it will be very easy for you to understand in upcoming classes. The only important thing is you need to understand each and every candle. There are a lot of candles and very important candles we are going to talk. Almost all the candles we are going to talk. I am going to publish more and more videos. So you need to understand all these things so that it is very easy for you to learn and understand and find out and read candlestick pattern chart. When you are able to identify and read, you can do independent trades, and the complete candles speaks about a trader or investor psychology, and it gives very good appropriate signals. When you are able to find out these signals, when you are able to read the chart, you can you can take positions and you can do very good trades. That's what I can say. So I request everyone, please subscribe our channel so that it will be very useful for you, and also share our videos to your friends and co-traders. And if you guys are interested to learn technical analysis, you guys always welcome to join my online classes. So it will be very helpful for you. Apart from these candlestick patterns, I'm going to teach some other techniques, some other strategies which is giving very good result. You can send email to me at ramanjul.techhelp@gmail.com. Thank you all for watching this video.